Curious about the ways content creators earn money on YouTube? Watch this video to learn how. If you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here are the best ways for you to make money on YouTube. Number 1. Get paid with ads as a YouTube Partner Program member. You must join the YouTube Partner Program to earn money from advertisement. To be a Partner Program member, your channel should have more than 1,000 subscribers. You'll also need a collective 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. You don't get paid per video view. Rather, you're paid for the times when someone watches or clicks on an ad shown on your video. The average YouTube channel can expect to make about $18 per 1,000 ad views. That translates to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views when you consider the rate of ads actually viewed. In addition, the following requirements are necessary before you can become a partner. 1. Your videos must abide by YouTube's monetization policies. 2. You must live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. And 3. You must have one active AdSense account that you'll link to your channel, or be ready to set up one in YouTube Studio if you don't already have one. You'll be able to withdraw your payment once you'll have a minimum of $100 earning. You'll also need to set up a bank account in your AdSense account for your money to be transferred to your local bank account. Another way to earn money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing might be the most practical way to monetize your YouTube traffic, especially if you plan to make product review videos. Here's what you need to do. First, find a company or seller with an affiliate program, such as Lazada Affiliate Program or Involve Asia, and apply to join. Once accepted, you'll use their process to create custom links to products you plan to feature in your videos. Make a demo, review, or make reference to the products in your YouTube videos, and paste your custom affiliate marketing links in the description field when you upload. As an affiliate of a brand, you'll earn a commission when a viewer clicks your custom link and purchases the product. Don't forget to properly notify your viewers about your affiliation with the brand or brands featured, and be sure to point them to the link in description when you shoot your video. Another way to earn money on YouTube is by getting a brand deal and making sponsored content. Companies that are interested in your channel's audience may sponsor your videos, or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout-out. These types of deals are more likely to present themselves when you develop a following. As your channel grows, you can contact the brands you'd like to work with directly, or use resources like the previously mentioned affiliate marketing sites. To find corporate partners that complement your content, you can get lump sum payments, earn commission on a per sale basis, or get the product or service for free with brand deals. Always remember that if you have an endorsement, or if you use product placement in a video, you need to notify YouTube by ticking a box in your video details. Another way to make money on YouTube is by selling some merchandise. If you have merchandise or offer a service that's relevant to your audience, let them know about it and provide links in your videos. Selling a physical product might require you to buy materials or find a manufacturer, but you can also sell downloadables such as ebooks, art prints, or virtual classes. Be sure to set up a secure payment system before you advertise your goods. While creating your own products can be a lot harder than pitching those of other companies, you could stand to make more money this way since you'll keep the bulk of your proceeds as the product owner. Another way to make money on YouTube is by offering memberships. A membership model is another way to monetize viewership. With this method, fans of the channel pay a small subscription fee for perks and/or an exclusive tier of access. YouTube has been slowly rolling out its own channel memberships feature, but you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program to be eligible. As always, more viewers can lead to more revenue. Incentives such as one-on-one video chats, private classes, or other perks may entice viewers to become paying members. Always keep in mind the following information. Thanks for watching. We hope this video can help you start a YouTube channel to earn extra money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell so you'll get updates when we have new content. See you soon.